HitFilm is a video editing, compositing, color grading, motion tracking, keying, and all-in-one software that allows you to easily create video contents. And in this course, we're going to take a look at the major features of HitFilm and see how we can create video contents with it. So once you go around and open up HitFilm, this is what you see, as you can see right here. You do need to sign up for an account and then sign in using that account. And if you're using the free version, this is what you'll see. You'll see upgrade on the top, which allows you to get the pro version of HitFilm, or you can continue with the free version, which is a bit limited, but it has the major features to work around and create contents. And in this course, we're going to focus on the free version itself and explore the various features that this software provides for you to create video contents. So now what I'm going to do in order to get started is click on create new, and I'm not going to worry about any of the settings right here. I'm just going to go around and press OK over here. So once you do that, what happens is that a new project is created, as you can see, and this is what you have. So you are in HitFilm, as you can see right here. And over here on the left hand side, you get the controls, you get the lifetime right here, as you can see, the text option and the track option. So depending on what you work around with the contents right here, the different sections right here gets active and is inactive as we work around with it. Over here we have the library, which allows us to access out various music and sound effects and templates right here, as you can see right here. So we can use that as we like as well. And if we were to go around onto media, this is where we work around with media, and we can even import around templates. And in effects, you can get the various effects that you can apply to your videos and audio as well. In the history, whatever you do is recorded. This is the main timeline over here, where we work around with our video clips. And over here we have our meters, and over here on the top we got the trimmer, audio mixer, scope, layout, and 360 viewer right here. So depending on what you need, you can access out different sections right here. So over here on the top, you got the menus, as you can see right here, and you can access out the menus as you like. And what you can also do is access out various workspaces right here. So you can go for 360 video editing, and then you get onto a different workspace. You can go around over here in all panels, and you get to a different workspace. You go around onto audio, you get onto a different workspace, and so forth right here. And this is how you can go around and change out your layout according to what you have right here. So you can go around over here, you can go around over here in vertical video, you can go around over here, and so forth. So let me just go around and reset out the workspace right here to get to the default section. And this is what we're going to actually work with over here in the tutorial series. So this is the interface of HitFilm, and in this course we're going to cover up the major parts which allows you to create video contents with HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.